it's Beth with Phastek.com, and today I'm bringing the heat so I can remove these stripes off of our 5th gen Camaro. All we're gonna need is a heat gun and a good adhesive cleaner. Okay, so the idea is to heat the entire area up evenly and make sure it's well heated so that when we remove the stripe, we're not only removing the stripe, but we're also removing the adhesive from behind the stripe. If it starts to rip on you and tear, go ahead and apply some more heat. Now that I've removed the front stripes, I'm ready to move on to the back.